this is going to be our practice for beginning strings. And she's going to start off by doing long bows. She's going to actually do her age. She's 13, so she's going to do 26 because we want to double our age and we want to do a long bow per string. Go ahead.
Just one?
Do long bows 26 per string, switching from one to one. Next string. And then she would, okay, so now she would do that on each one of her strings, so she has 4 strings. So yes, that would take, for her, it takes her, by doing it that slowly, about a minute. And so that would mean 4 minutes of practice at the beginning, just practicing doing long bows, and that's playing from the tip of the bow. Could you point the tip out? Yep, the tip to the frog. Okay, and so she would do all of those portions. Now the next part of our practice would be to do repetitions of pepperoni pizza. So do like a two per string. So now the thing is, that was only showing 2. Now most of the kids are 8, so doing long bows isn't going to take all that long. And doing repetitions of each one of our repetitions, that was pepperoni pizza. Could you do like, pick one of the other ones?
Yum yum peanut butter.
Sounds good. So the thing is, we get kind of an idea of exactly how to do the different ones. That's how they would start out, because we want to get lots of bow repetitions. Their tone's going to get better when they can do more bow repetitions. So bow repetitions are assigned to be done because the amount of miles you put on your bow, that's how you start to get to the point where you've got good tone. Now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with our song, Twinkle, Twinkle. Now, we're going to pick one. For our purposes, we're going to do pepperoni pizza. And the song starts on the D string and goes up to the A string, and she's going to use her fingers. So she's going to get her hand in position, okay, ready to go. So she's going to go ahead and she's going to start. I'm going to turn over here. All right, go ahead and start with the D. So now she just completed our practice of Twinkle, Twinkle. They are allowed to do this using as many different rhythm patterns as they like, because once again, more bow strokes will make it so that they have better and better tone. Third thing that we would put on the list of things to practice would be to do clap and play. Right now, most of the kids are on line E. So for line E, she's going to clap it. First thing she's going to do is get a beat going kind of in her brain. So she just picked a beat. Now she's going to add numbers to it.
2, 3, 4.
She's going to get ready to clap. Now she can just 1. So the thing is, what she did is she clapped based on line E, which she'd be looking at, and then she's going to go ahead and now play that same rhythm pattern. She once again here's the rhythm kind of going, and she says the numbers in her head. 1, 2, ready, play. that's how line E goes, and this is where most of them are starting. They should do 3 or 4 lines of practice, because the faster that they go through them, the more that they practice them, the way that it'll go when we're all trying to do them together as a group. So thank you very much. She would complete out her practice by doing more long bows, and long bows especially, because long bows are where you build your ability to have really good tone. Thank you very much.